Horses out. King Suck. Fast to begin, and in second is Southern Prince. Blitzkrieg is racing in third, then followed by High Fidelity, Reality Show, while Barako is running at the tail of the field. And going along for the first turn, we have King Suck by about 2 lengths. Southern Prince in second, 3 lengths away in third. Comes High Fidelity, moving up to take fourth. Blitzkrieg, Reality Show, and Barako. As they swing down the back, King Suck by about 2 lengths. Southern Prince now coming closer in second. 7 lengths away in third. High Fidelity moving up Dalari inside Barako. Next on line, Blitzkrieg and Reality Show. Headed still King Suck by about a length. Southern Prince remains in second. And a far behind this Barako. King Suck this time by about a length and a half. Southern Prince remains in second. Barako in third. High Fidelity. And it's still King Suck by about a length. Southern Prince is already outside trying to make a lead. As they come down at the last 200. King Suck is running by the rail. Moving up already outside Southern Prince. We have Southern Prince and King Suck running by the rail. Last 150 meters. Southern Prince. King Suck is by the rail. It's now Southern Prince followed by King Suck, and finally Southern Prince, King Suck, Blitzkrieg, High Fidelity, Reality Show, and Barako.